How to type / and / on your Windows keyboard. What's up everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily type the / or / on your keyboard. But before we get started, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. Also, don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our new uploads. On that note, let's begin. So the very first thing I'm going to show you here is I have an empty blank document open here. Now, as you can see here, my keyboard is working perfectly fine. So if I want to type the / or the /, I'm going to show you how to do that. First, to type your / you will have to look on your keyboard on the right side. So if you find your right shift, you will find your / right beside your right shift. So this is the / right here. And if you want to type a / you just have to find it right above your enter. If you press that, you will type the /. So here, if I have to show you visually, this is your keyboard, and you will find your / right here besides the shift. If you type it, the / will be typed on your screen. And to find your /, it's right above the enter. So click right here to type the /, and to type / you can find it here. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you found it helpful, hit the like, share, and subscribe button. I will see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.